Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I'm good as well. Thank you for asking me. Ya, ini sudah pertemuan meeting ke-8 ya. Before we start our topics today, I wanna ask you before, are you ready for study? Yeah, good. You should be ready ya. Sebelum pergi ke sekolah, before you go to the school, have you had a breakfast? You should breakfast. Kamu harus makan sebelum pergi ke sekolah, because when you study in the class and you will get you feel hungry or exhausted maybe, so you can focus to study. Jadi kalau kalian nggak fokus, jadi materinya nggak dapat dengan kalian ya. Jadi I hope next meeting you should have your breakfast before go to school. Okay, class, do you know what is our materials today? Also, okay. Of course no ya, kalian pasti nggak tahu. Tapi Miss akan tanya, how about the last material? Who knows? Yeah, it is about the analytical exposition text. And now we are going to learn hortatory exposition text. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to the text absent ya. To check the attendance list. I'm sorry, I forgot it. Okay, Belia. Who is absent today? No? There is no one absent. Okay, good. Oke, langsung saja lanjut lagi ya. Materi tadi. It's about hortatory exposition text. Jadi ini kelanjutan setelah analytical ya. Nah, hortatory exposition text ini. I hope in this topic you are be able to know the social function of this topic is on this material, and you know the language feature and generic structure, and you can analyze the text. You can analyze the hortatory exposition text at the end of this class. I hope all of you can understand this material ya. Oke. Lanjut ini. Okay, I wanna ask, who knows what is hortatory exposition text? In simple sentence saja. Who know? Okay, good Marisa. What is hortatory exposition text? Yeah, it is an argumentative text. It's quite a simple sentence, dan I hope all of you can understand argumentative ya. It's contain argument ya. What is the purpose? To persuade the reader that something should or should not be done. Jadi tujuan dari hortatory exposition text ini, kalian untuk mengarahkan pembaca apa yang harus pembaca lakukan dan apa yang tidak harus pembaca lakukan. Ya, actually hortatory exposition text ini bisa lisan or text ya, bisa oral or text. But now we learn in the text. Jadi in this meeting kalian akan banyak reading and read text ya. You should read the text, you should much read and read a lot. So it can help you to gain the knowledge. Okay, next slide. Can you see my slide? Yeah. Ini ada penjelasannya ya. Hortatory exposition is a type of persuasive text, ya, text persuasive or oral material in English that is used to explain the reader or listener that something is not allowed or should be done. Jadi harus berisi tentang apa yang harus dilakukan dan apa yang tidak boleh dilakukan oleh untuk si pembaca, apa yang harus dilakukan si pembaca. Characteristic of the hortatory text ya. Kita lanjut ke karakteristik. Please read this characteristic, Vika. Oke, thank you, Vika. Ya, ada karakteristiknya ada 4. There are 4 characteristics. First is a persuasive text with supporting reason using the simple present tense. Jadi, in this text, in the hortatory exposition text, we use simple present tense. You should use simple present tense. And the next is using conjunction. Ya, conjunction ini, who knows the conjunction? Conjunction, kata penghubung, such as first, second, third, next, furthermore, additionally, and so on. Also contains the recommendation that usually begin with in my opinion, it is better, and so on. Jadi in generic structure-nya nanti akan dibahaslah, we can membahas tentang recommendation. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, good. This is generic structure. The hortatory exposition ini have there are 3 important parts that must be owned, such as thesis. Thesis, who knows what the penggunaannya ini, apa maksud dari tesis ini? Apa yang terdapat di dalam tesis ini? Ada yang tahu? Ya, it's contain the opinion atau point of view of the authors. Ya, jadi ini contains the opinions of the author or speaker regarding to the topic in question. Jadi atau dalam in simple sentence-nya, this is writer's point of view about the topic, point of view-nya. And the next structure is arguments. Arguments contains opinions that support the main idea. The more opinions that are written, the more interesting a hortatory exposition text, because readers tend to believe in even if there are many supporting opinions in it. Jadi, semakin banyak pendapat yang dituangkan di dalam teks itu, or we can use the data atau or experts' opinions, it's become good because we need the explanation of the text. Jadi, semakin banyak pendapat-pendapat para ahli, semakin banyak alasan untuk menguatkan argumennya ini, semakin dapat dipercaya teksnya itu. Jadi guna arguments ini to strengthen the thesis stated before, untuk menguatkan dari tesis yang tersebut, dari writer's point of view about the topic, untuk menguatkan as the supporting of the main idea, ya. And the last generic structure is recommendation. Nah, kita akan melanjutkan ini recommendation. If in analytical exposition text, generic structure-nya itu conclusion, ya. But in hortatory text, recommendation. Ya, recommendation ini sama as conclusion, but in recommendation it contains suggestion addressed to readers on related topics discussed in the text. Seperti as the slide before, ada kalimat seperti ini. Untuk recommendation ini, it is better. Ya, it is better to you. Contohnya, contoh kalimatnya, it is better to you to have a breakfast before go to the school. Jadi, lebih baik untuk kamu untuk sarapan pagi sebelum pergi ke sekolah. Di contoh recommendationnya untuk the readers, ya, diberikan oleh writer to readers. Or another example, who wants to give another example of the recommendation? In my opinion, okay, you can use in my opinion, ya. Marisa, okay, Marisa, you got the 20 points as usual. We collect the Miss akan catat who who is active in my class? Marisa. Oke, good. Marisa. Jadi apa? Contohnya, in my opinion. Oke. Thank you Marisa. Jadi Marisa dia memberikan rekomendasi in my opinion online learning it's better than offline learning ya. Itu pendapatnya dia. Disertai you should sebelumnya itu harus ada bukti-buktinya, harus ada data-data yang menguatkan statement of the writers ya. Jadi di recommendation ini contains apa tadi? Conclusion and suggestion ya. Suggestion itu saran. Okay, next we move to example. Langsung ya, example-nya. Text. Who knows what kind of this text? Jadi ini teksnya tentang apa ini? Teks apa? Oke, good Vika. Apa? Hortatory exposition text. Good. Kenapa? How you know this is example of hortatory exposition text? Yeah, you can see at the title ya. Based on the title, you can know this is hortatory exposition text ya. Based on the title, why students should manage their stress. Okay, who knows berapa paragraf ini dari teksnya ini? Okay, Wahyuni, there are 3 paragraphs. Okay, good. Please read this text, but actually I will ask one by one to read one paragraph, and the next go to the second paragraph and the last paragraph. Please, Marisa, read the first paragraph. After that, Vika, and the last one who wants to read the paragraph? Okay, Wahyuni, good. Vika, Marisa, Wahyuni got 20 points ya. Okay, please read. Keep silent ya, yang lainnya dengerin. Okay, thank you. Let's we analyze ya the example. Siapa yang tahu? Siapa yang itu tadi baca jawab itu teks hortatory exposition text ya, si Vika tadi. Nah, ini ada alasannya. Alasan the example of the text above is hortatory exposition text because the persuasive text provides an argument that the stress that is often experienced by students has dangerous effect. In addition, the text has the same characteristic and structure as the hortatory exposition text. Ya, jadi katanya di sini mempunyai karakteristik yang sama dengan hortatory text, also the generic structure. Let's we analyze. Is a persuasive text with supporting reason. As we can see, the text is presented with several reasons that support the argument. Ya, betul. Benar. Ini ada banyak kita melihat teks ini present with several reason. Ada beberapa reason ya untuk mensupport the argument. Okay, let's see ini. How about the tenses? Apa yang digunakannya tensesnya? Ya, simple present tense ya. The example-nya, contoh kalimatnya. Major negative effect of stress is on emotional health. Nah, how about conjunction? Let's please siapa ya yang belum ya? Wahyuni sudah, Ririn, analyze the conjunction of this text ya. Apa kata penghubung yang digunakan? Yang kamu that you find on the text. Okay, good. For example, firstly, thus, second, and furthermore. Okay, Is there any recommendation of this paragraph? Ada rekomendasinya? Ya, ada, tentu ada. Siapa yang tahu? In the last paragraph ya. Who knows? Who wants answer? Okay, good. Kiki? Yeah. It is for this reason, it is better that we should find the causes of stress which we are going through, know the bad effect that we may face, and take action to manage it. Jadi, recommendationnya ini lebih baik kita tahu, harus menemukan dulu apa penyebab dari stres ini. Selanjutnya, kita bisa mengatasinya, tahu apa yang harus action, apa aksi yang harus kita lakukan ya. Solusinya. Okay, good. We analyze the generic structure-nya. Apa tadi generic structure-nya? Ada 3. Please, Vika, sebutkan what are the generic structure based the hortatory exposition text-nya. Ada 3. There are 3 important parts ya. First, okay, good, thesis. And the second is argument. And the last one is recommendation. Okay, good, Vika. Thank you. Nah, jadi tesisnya ini apa? Based on the text that we have read before. Ya, tesisnya itu stress among students can be dangerous for several reasons. Okay, good, Vika. And the next is argumentnya. Who wants to answer the argument? Okay, Ririn. First, major negative effect of stress is on emotional health. Ya. Siapa lagi? Ada lagi? Dea? Ya, Dea. Dea ya, catat. Tadi Ririn sama Dea. Disastrous effect of stress ya. To an individual, especially student in or academic performance ya. Okay, give applause to Dea and Ririn. And the last one is recommendation. Ini it's quite easy ya. Recommendation, who wants answer? Recommendation, Vika? No, kamu sudah banyak ya poinnya. Kita lemparkan ke your friends ya. Please be active in my class. Okay, good. Wahyuni. Okay. Yeah, good. Excellent. Thank you Wahyuni for your answer. Ya, recommendation yang ini seperti yang tadi. For this reason, it is better that we should find the causes of stress which we are going through, know the bad effect that we may face, and take action to manage it. Nah, okay. Ini you can see my screen there is text being on time. So this is for your exercise. I hope you read based on before we do the exercise. I want to ask you, is it clear enough for you to understand the material about the hortatory exposition text? Okay, good. Gak ada yang mau ditanyakan lagi? Okay, it's clear enough ya guys. Nah, Miss Kasih, I will give you the exercise. Let's see the text being on time. You can take a screenshot and then you write down to your paper. Based on this text, I will give just three questions for you because it's really it's quite difficult because you should read and it's ini lumayan banyak juga teksnya. Jadi kalian karena masih awal mempelajari ini, I just give you 3 questions and it is quite easy, but you should harus membacanya mengulang, harus membacanya lebih membutuhkan waktu yang lama. So I just give you 3 question ya. Okay, have you take a screenshot of this text being on time? Okay, this is the question. First, what should the school do if a student can't stop his or her habit to come late to school? Jadi teks ini membicarakan tentang jadilah on time, harus tepat waktu datangnya ya. Jangan telat-telat. Okay. I hope all of you can answer this question. Miss tunggu, I'll give you 25 minutes for your answer this question because it's just 3 questions. Sangat sebentar. Okay, just 20 minutes ya. Have you finished, guys? Okay, you should do this exercise because I will take misalkan ambil nilainya ya, nilai hariannya. Okay, how about you, Wahyuni? Have you answered the first question? Ya, sudah jawab ya. How about the others? Number 1, sudah dijawab? Sudah? Okay, good. Okay, time is over. Collect your exercise into WhatsApp group ya, photo, take a picture of your your paper and then send out to me via grup aja. Oke. Siapa yang sudah selesai langsung kumpul ya. Time is over. Mari kita koreksi. Harus jujur ya. Sudah dikumpul semua nih, sudah Miss lihat ada Wahyuni, Vika, Merisa, Belia udah kumpul, Dea juga udah kumpul. Yang belum siapa? Ririn, kumpul cepat Ririn. Kalau telat kumpulnya, nilainya nggak ada. Oke, semuanya udah kumpul ya. Oke, thank you guys. Let's koreksi ya. Kita koreksi. What should the school do if a student can't stop his or her habit to come late to school? Siapa yang tahu jawabannya? Oke, Merisa, apa jawabannya? Oke, good. Jawabannya tadi punish him or her. How about the others? Vika, how about you? What is your answer? D. Talk to his or her parents. Ya, jadi gimana teman-teman? Benar jawaban yang mana? Vika ya, jawabannya yang benar ya. Oke, give applause to Vika. Ya, jadi yang jawaban yang benar adalah D. Talk to his or her parents ya. Don't worry Marisa, it's just exercise, but you should collect more point to help your nilai ya, untuk membantu nilai kamu. Kamu harus banyak mengumpulkan poin. And number 2, who will answer the question? Gak ada yang mau? Miss tunjuk. Wahyuni, please answer the question. Answer this question. Jawabannya E. Inner discipline. Okay, good. Right answer. And the last one, who wants answer? Ya, pertanyaannya ini kan children are precious and depend on the adults for guidance ya. For guidance, the word precious is close meaning to. Jadi apa ini maksudnya? Ini closest ini same as like the synonym. Jawabannya okay, that's right Vika. A. Valuable ya. Oke, jadi siapa yang jawabannya benar semua? Let me take a list ya. Vika. Siapa lagi? Wahyuni. Betul. Oke, dapat semua ya. Oh enggak, Merisa salah nomor 1, sama siapa? Dea nomor 3 ya. Oke. Jadi that's all our exercise. Jadi hanya ini Miss kasih exercise, but in the next meeting I will give more text to you that you should read and then you should analyze. Okay. Any questions so far? Yes, Marisa? Homework. Okay. I don't give you homework, but in the next meeting, you should prepare yourself to read the text about the Hartatory text, and I will ask you to analyze as before. Jadi Miss akan minta kalian untuk menganalisa seperti yang tadi, general structure-nya apa. Okay. Thank you for your participation. But before we close our meeting today, our class today, I want give the conclusion. Ya, sebelum Miss memberikan conclusion, how about the others who wants to give the conclusion about this material? Singkat aja nggak apa-apa. Okay, Vika, will you? No? How about the others? Okay, Wina, how about you, Wina? Ya, Wina kan. Okay. Please keep silent and listen to Wina. She will give the conclusion of our topics today ya. Okay, give applause to Wina guys. Nah, jadi Miss akan ulang lagi ya. Today we learn about hortatory exposition text, and it is an argumentative text. The purpose of this text is to persuade the reader that something should or should not be done ya. How about the linguistic features of the text ya? We using simple present tense, and then using expression of giving arguments and opinions, suggestion, and the others. And the next is structure of text or generic structure-nya. There are 3 important part ya. Ada apa? Tesisnya. It's a writer's point of view about the topic. Jadi tesis itu berisi tentang point of view about the topic si writers ini. And the next is arguments, series of arguments or opinion. And the last one is apa tadi? Recommendation ya. Recommendation is contain conclusion and suggestion. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope all of you can understand this material. If you got the difficult about this material, you can ask me via group or you can chat me, but I suggest you to ask in the group so your friends will know. Ya, teman-teman kalian bisa tahu ya apa aja yang misalkan kalian nggak paham, tahu jadi solusinya seperti apa. Oke kelas, saya tutup dengan hamdalah. Let's say hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you for your participation and your terima kasih untuk partisipasinya. Thank you for your participation, and I hope next meeting you will be able to analyze ya. Jadi analyze the generic structure-nya. I hope next meeting you kamu semua sehat dan in good condition. Thank you for today. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.